How to buy crypto art. First things first, you'll need to set up a crypto wallet. We recommend using MetaMask, a browser-enabled Ethereum wallet that interacts directly with crypto-based websites. Once MetaMask is installed, you'll then need to transfer ETH to your public MetaMask Ethereum address. This ETH will be used to place bids, purchase artworks, and cover gas fees for transactions. If you need to purchase ETH, we recommend using Coinbase. Head over to SuperRare.co and sign up for a collector account by creating a username and entering an email address in the sign-up page. MetaMask will automatically request you sign the transaction to confirm the account. Going forward, so long as you have access to your wallet and private keys, you have access to your SuperRare account. Once your account is set up, head over to the marketplace where you can use different filters to find the artworks you wish to purchase. You can even follow the artists you love for updates on their releases. There are several types of purchase options on SuperRare, including timed auctions, reserve auctions, buy now, and regular offers. Once you've acquired a piece of crypto art, the work will show up in your collection as soon as the transaction completes. When you collect work on SuperRare, it is exclusively yours to own, share, sell, and transfer. SuperRare is 100% peer-to-peer and never takes custody of your art or funds. No middleman, no third party. As you approach the crypto art space as a collector, you'll find yourself establishing strong, even lifelong connections with the artists you support. Get involved with the community, the artists, and other collectors, and you'll discover entire worlds of art you never before imagined.